If you are not getting loud enough in your mixes, you are not using saturation enough. So saturation could be obtained while recording or mixing. While recording, you should have preamps or analog gears that do compression, equalization. They all add these characteristics like saturation, great and beautiful kinds of distortion, and you name it. But if that stage is bypassed, you need to do it in mixing. SSL X-Saturator is a great plugin from SSL that is suitable for mixing, mastering individual channels, bus channels, and whenever, wherever you want. Let's check on drums. It is dirty in low end, I hear that, but you get the idea. I am bringing up average, energy, and what defines loudness, at the same time controlling peaks. Saturations are natural compressors, so they control peaks, but you won't hear any compression effect. The tools that this plugin gives you is just everything you need. Shape for tone, actually it's exactly like tone. When you turn it clockwise, it is brighter. When you turn it counterclockwise, it is darker and fatter. So depth defines whole distortion and saturation effect, and as it increases, you will hear more distortion and saturation. Harmonics is for choosing between second order and third order harmonics that you might need to change it in different materials. Third order usually brings materials closer to the listener. Second order pushes them deeper in the mix. So it depends on what are you working on. Third order has a wider stereo image. Second order has thinner stereo image. So that's it. This is a great plugin that you can use everywhere. And please don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.